In this video, I'll show you how to make cartoon videos with AI, start to finish, without any special skills and without ever opening a video editor. I'll take you through the entire workflow, from the very first idea all the way to the finished result you're watching right now. No timeline, no juggling a dozen apps. Just an idea, a few sentences of conversation, and a finished cartoon. Let's get into it.
I'm putting in my 2 weeks.
Same.
If you've tried making AI video before, you already know the problem. The space moves at lightning speed. There are dozens of tools, and each one only does one small piece. So, the normal way to make an animated cartoon means paying for a whole stack of subscriptions, waiting forever on every generation, and then trying to glue it all together at the end in some editor. It's slow, it's expensive, and honestly, it's enough to stop you before you even start. Making a cartoon used to mean working through a dozen stages: idea, style, script, character design, storyboarding, voiceover, animation, sound, editing. Each one needing its own pricey tool you had to learn. But what if I told you that you can skip almost all of it and just chat with one AI agent? You describe what you want, and a single agent handles the whole pipeline. No programming, no tool juggling, no problem. There are already hundreds of tutorials covering the classic process, and each tool separately, so I won't cover that ground again. I want to show you what's new and different. Let me introduce you to Flova AI, the frontier pipeline for 2026 that lets you make long animated cartoons in any style you want, with consistent characters, music, and sound effects. It's an AI agent that runs 20+ elite models in one place. Names like Seedance, Kling, Vio, and Nano Banana. And if you're not sure which one fits your idea, it just picks the best one for you. Video, images, music, voiceover, sound effects. All of it in a single conversation. So instead of paying well over $100 a month for a fragmented stack of tools, you get what's basically a creative team and an editing suite rolled into one. New users get 100 credits the moment they sign up, plus another 200 just for exploring the platform, so you can start building your first cartoon right away. Use the link in the description to register and follow along. Before we get to actual cartoon generation, let me show you the thing that makes this whole pipeline work: skills. Think of a skill as a recipe, a one-click workflow you can reuse anytime. Some come from the Flova team, some from experienced creators, and you can write your own around your personal taste and workflow. So you can grab a trusted recipe and get a great result right away, or build your own once and reuse it forever. Either way, you never start from zero. Look at what's in here: story-driven video, multi-panel storyboarding, music, sound effects, different art styles, and more. Think of these as curated building blocks, the latest advances in AI organized in one place, that you stack to handle multi-step work that would normally eat up your whole day. And you won't even have to pick the right ones yourself. In a moment, you'll watch the agent apply them on its own. So let's get to the only part it can't do for you: the idea and the style. Now, I already know what I want to make, so I'll go with my idea for this build. And if you've never made a cartoon before, that's not a problem at all. Later in the video, I'll show you how to come up with your own ideas from scratch, so stick around for that. I want a short, funny cartoon. For comedy, I lean on classic, battle-tested setups. The kind of scene we've all lived through, so the humor lands instantly. I'm going to trap 3 mismatched characters in an office and let the tension build. A lizard man in an office suit, an anthropomorphic cat, and an alien with tentacles, all stuck in the same room while things quietly go sideways. Then the style, which is what makes the cartoon feel like yours. With Flova, you can go for almost any look you can name. A classic 2D cartoon, stop motion, comic book, pop art, anime, polished 3D, take your pick. And it doesn't stop at the obvious ones. It'll nail specific, recognizable looks too. It can even make GTA 6-styled videos. Yes, there's already a skill built for exactly that. For this one, I'm going with a clean, classic 2D cartoon look. Now here's where the just chat with one agent promise pays off. I create a new project, and I simply tell Flova everything I just decided. My premise, my 3 characters, the tone, the comedic setup, and the style I want. No script to write in another app, no copy-pasting between tools. I'm just describing it, in plain English, to the agent. And watch this. As soon as I describe it, Flova recognizes which skills fit and applies them automatically. I didn't configure anything. It already understands this is a multi-character, story-driven scene and sets itself up to build it that way. From here, Flova works through the whole thing as a conversation. As you can see on the screen, Flova has already prepared a draft of the script for us. I'll read through it, and the great part is that once you've reviewed it, you can add changes instantly, just by asking. I'll modify the scene with the coffee machine and the cat, and ask it for a different ending. Let's review it again. Looks good, so we can move on to the next stage of the process. Flova has now generated a production spec and a storyboard. It includes all our characters, every scene, and the background music. I'll approve it, and that moves us to the next step, generating the character images. First, it generates all 3 of our characters, using Nano Banana at 2K resolution. Notice that I never had to pick a specific model for this. Flova just chose the best one for the job. Next come the voices. You can either upload your own voice files or generate them with AI. And here, Flova picked the Minimax model and matched a voice to each character. Energetic and enthusiastic for the alien, and frustrated for our lizard, Leonard. Then it gives me the choice to fine-tune the voices or carry on with generation. I'm not happy with how the lizard looks, so I'll ask Flova to remake him. I want him to look more like a real lizard, with scales and red eyes. After a couple of revisions, I'm happy with the result, and that's the storyboard stage done. Now we move on to the video generation. Flova breaks our idea down into smaller parts and scenes, then builds them in parallel, which makes the whole thing a lot faster. And as you can see, every asset has been generated and assembled into a final timeline, ready for review. Let's hit play and watch it. The cartoon looks great. The characters are consistent and free of artifacts. I really like the music and the voiceovers, and the sound effects land exactly when they're needed. There are a couple of things I'd like to change though. In the scene where Leonard gets sprayed with coffee, there are 2 coffee machines, and there's no coffee cup anywhere. I could open the script and adjust each generation prompt by hand, but the whole point of an agent-based workflow is that it can do that for me. So I'll just type what I want changed, and it automatically finds the parts involved, applies the changes, regenerates them, and reassembles the finished video. As you can see, a new scene has been added, and a coffee machine has appeared. Let's watch it again.
Come on, just 1 cup. I have a spreadsheet meeting in 5 minutes. Step aside.
Now there are 2 new problems, duplicate characters and 2 coffee machines again. This can happen with AI, especially when you give it very short prompts. The more specific you are from the start, the better your result. But it's easily fixable, so I'll ask Flova to correct it once more. After a short wait, let's review the cartoon one more time.
Come on, just 1 cup. I have a spreadsheet meeting in 5 minutes. Step aside. You have to speak its language.
Flova has fixed the duplicate cat problem and rebuilt the scene with a single coffee machine. That's good enough for me. Honestly, I can't imagine how long this would have taken with separate tools, stitching everything together in Premiere Pro. Easily a couple of days to get something similar. Now we can download the finished, assembled MP4. And if you want to go further, you can export the complete project, including the images of our characters, or even a Premiere Pro project with the scenes and audio on separate layers so you can fine-tune everything in a video editor. There's one thing I'd still change. By default, the cartoon renders in HD. That's understandable. Most video generators don't output 4K yet, but in 2026, HD just isn't enough. So let's fix it. There are a few ways to do this, but since Flova is an AI agent, the fastest is simply to ask. It understood the command perfectly and upscaled every scene, then reassembled a new 4K version. I'd expected just a single MP4, but it rebuilt the entire project in 4K, which is even better if I want to keep improving it later. Let's download and verify. And there it is, a full 4K video. So we've made a professional-looking cartoon from just a few sentences. But what if you want to make a series or try a completely different scenario? With Flova, you can branch your current project into a new one. The original stays untouched, while all your changes carry over into the new branch. Let's see how that works. I want to continue the series with my same 3 heroes, but this time I'll rebuild the clip and swap the coffee machine for a printer. You can't simply swap one image for another, that wouldn't make sense. So the whole script needs to be rebuilt. By hand, that would take ages, but let's see how the agent handles it. I type in my changes and check the results. Flova understood exactly what I wanted and even offered me 3 scenario options to choose from. Perfect. I'll go with the first one, printer ink explosion. From here, the process runs just like before. The video spec and storyboard are regenerated to match the new scenes and characters. What I really like is that, wherever it can, Flova generates in parallel. Making a cartoon the classic way, you can't do that. You're stuck using one tool at a time, and if a step takes 5 minutes to generate, you wait. An agent saves you all of that. You just kick it off, grab a cup of tea, and let it manage each subtask on its own. And here's the result. Our second idea, correctly brought to life. The characters are consistent and back in the same office, and the printer is spewing ink exactly as I asked. A few parts could still be polished with a couple more prompts, but I won't take the whole thing further here, since this tutorial is already running long. Let me show you one last important thing. What if you'd rather not type everything into the chat? Or you already have a script written as a file. Flova can handle that too. Head to Skills, and you'll find one called Script to Video, which lets you upload a regular script for Flova to process. So if you prefer a less interactive, more traditional way of making cartoons, this one's for you. And if you write your script with something like Claude or ChatGPT, here's a tip to get the most out of it. Copy the specification format from Flova, and paste it in as the spec for your script file, so the output matches what Flova expects. I recreated the same office scene script in Claude, and used that file to generate a cartoon in Flova, this time in a 3D cartoon style, for the same coffee crisis scenario. The process is very similar to the interactive one. You mostly just approve and verify as you go. And the quality of the final cartoon looks perfect to me. And that's it. We made a cartoon completely from scratch with AI, from the script and the characters, to the animation, the music, and the sound effects, all in one place, all by just talking to one agent. The only real work was the part that should be yours, deciding the idea and the style. And because every character was generated as a consistent, reusable asset, I can drop that same lizard man, cat, and alien into a brand new episode anytime. So whether you want to build a whole series, long, full-length videos, or quick shorts, the hard part is already done. The link to try it yourself is the first thing in the description. You'll get 100 credits the moment you sign up, plus 200 more for exploring, which is plenty to make your first cartoon. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.